Hello everyone, I hope you all are staying safe. In the last few days during lockdown, many people have been asking me a lot of questions about how they can learn and speak German faster. I'm Sanya and I think this video could help you out and answer a lot of your questions if you are looking forward to learn a foreign language. I would share with you a few steps which would help you to learn a language faster and easier. Step 1. Find out your purpose of learning the language. Even before you think about your go-to place to learn the language, you have to take a step back and figure out what is your objective of learning the language. Mine was quite simple. I had a will to teach, but I never wanted to teach something very simple. So, I did a diploma after my 12th in elementary teaching and education. Meanwhile, I realized that I do not want to teach something this simple. I wanted to do something different. Now, it has been more than 2 years that I am studying German. Also, I want you guys to find out what is your purpose of learning that language. It could be anything. Like for some people, it is a way to enrich their social lives with experiences. For some people, it is a way to connect with other people to get an inside view of a very different culture. But some of them are eager to make a career in a foreign language. Step 2. Create a mini abroad around yourself. Make your smartphone multilingual. Whichever language you wish to learn, just add it into your smartphone. It really helps. I've personally used it and I've been using the German keyboard very frequently. Also, you can watch German movies or movies in any languages you wish to learn, or you can listen to various songs. In my another video, I will give you the list of German movies and German songs. In step 3, I will be giving you hacks or shortcuts through which you can learn the language easily. You have to download language dictionaries in your smartphone. You can download one or two. I have been using dic.cc and Reverso. These two are incredible. I'll mention the names in the description box. Also, you can download Duolingo. It is an application with a method of learning while playing. It is very interesting. Step 4. Make native speakers your online friends. There are a lot of groups on Facebook and a lot of people on Instagram. They can help you out very easily. You can make friends online and it would be easier for you to grasp the language. But obviously, virtually making friends is sometimes risky. So you have to be very careful while making the friends online. Last but not the least, focus more on the easy parts initially, because if initially you will focus on the difficult parts of a language, then it would be very difficult for you guys to learn a language. If you will keep these points in your mind, then learning a language will become a challenge that you will love. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and share it further. Also click the bell icon and subscribe us to get quick updates from our channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe. I'll catch you later.